Solve the inequality. Which of the following is the solution set? So we're going to treat this just like an equation. The only difference is that if I multiply or divide by a negative, we turn the alligator around. So I'm going to start by distributing the 5 on the right-hand side. So I get 15x minus 15. And then I'm going to subtract 15x from both sides. So I get 5x minus 35 is less than or equal to negative 15. I'm going to add 35 to both sides. So I get 5x is less than or equal to 20. Divide both sides by 5, which is a positive number. So I'm now dividing, but I'm dividing by a positive number, so the alligator does not move, only if you divide by a negative. So I get x is less than or equal to 4. And in interval notation, that would be negative infinity to 4. And I need to include the 4 because it's an or equal to. Okay, so this would be negative infinity to 4, including the 4, which is answer choice B.